You know, big gas chainsaws will always have their place for felling large trees, but these new electric chainsaws are absolutely fantastic for work around the house or light duty work out in the woods. This is DeWalt's 20-volt, 12-inch bar chainsaw. It's been great for me. I've really enjoyed owning it. My favorite thing about it is that there's no maintenance on it. I don't have to worry about gas, oil, carburetor, gumming up, mixing gas and oil and all that stuff. It's just put a battery on it and go. So I'll show you some of these features on this saw, and we'll cut a few pieces of wood here and I'll show you how it works. The saw does come with a bar cover, which is nice. You can pop that off. As with all chainsaws, it's got a chain brake on the front here. Push it forward to lock it, pull it back to unlock it. This here is your reservoir for bar oil. And then over here, this is a really functional area. This tightens and loosens your chain tension, no having to carry a wrench or anything. And then to access the chain area to change the chain, you simply pop this open. You can pop that off, you get access in there. You can clean it out if it gets loaded with debris. I just blew this out before I started this video. It was pretty full of junk. But just all around very functional design on this saw. Also, you do have a clear area up here where you can see how much bar oil you've got in your reservoir with it level. I'm full right now. Obviously, as I tilt it back, you can see that line move. Aside from the chain brake, the saw does have a trigger safety here. In order to operate the trigger, you do need to depress this, which I think is a great feature. This is a 20-volt saw, so it's going to work with your standard 12-volt batteries. You can use the larger flex volt batteries on it, but it's still just a 20-volt saw. This is about a 6-inch log I've got clamped to my workbench here. We'll go ahead and just slice a little off of it. Go ahead and release the chain brake. And I went ahead and swapped out for about a 3-inch or so log. This is probably a little bit more realistic what you would use this size chainsaw for. So all in all, I've been really happy with this DeWalt 12-inch bar chainsaw. It's great for little home tasks, cleaning up the property, you know, light work obviously, but the price point to purchase the saw and then the fact that there's basically no maintenance with the saw makes it a really good win in my opinion. So happy with the product, great value.